Are fitness wearables safe?
Fitness wearables like smartwatches and fitness bands are popular for tracking steps, heart rate, and sleep. With their rise in use, some people worry about potential health risks. In this guide, we break down the myths and facts about safety concerns, from radiation exposure to data privacy, to help you make informed decisions about using these devices.
Myth or fact? Do wearables emit harmful radiation?
Many worry that fitness wearables emit dangerous radiation. In reality, these devices use very low-power radio signals, like Bluetooth, which is considered non-ionizing radiation. This type of radiation does not damage DNA or cells, unlike X-rays or ultraviolet rays. Current evidence shows that the risk of harm from the amount of radiation produced by fitness wearables is extremely low.
Skin irritation and wearable devices.
Skin irritation is the most common physical risk linked to fitness trackers. Prolonged contact, sweat, and pressure can occasionally cause redness or rashes. To avoid irritation, keep the device clean, wear it comfortably, not too tight, and take breaks from wearing it. Serious allergic reactions are rare, but if you notice persistent irritation, consult your doctor or consider switching to a different band material.
Privacy and data security concerns.
Data privacy is a real concern with smart devices. Fitness wearables collect sensitive health data, and some users worry about who can access this information. Most reputable brands encrypt your data and let you control what is shared. For better security, review privacy settings, update device software regularly, and be cautious about sharing health stats on public platforms or third-party apps.
Can wearables cause sleep or heart issues?
There is no reliable evidence that wearables interfere with sleep cycles or heart health when used as intended. Devices may track your sleep patterns, but they don't affect your ability to rest or your heart's function. However, obsessively checking health data can cause anxiety for some users, so it's best to use these tools as guides, not as substitutes for professional medical advice.
Should you worry about fitness trackers?
Overall, fitness wearables are generally considered safe for everyday use. The most common risks involve skin irritation and data privacy. Radiation risk is extremely low. For most people, the benefits, such as increased activity and awareness, outweigh the minimal risks. If you have medical devices like pacemakers, talk to your doctor before using any wearable. Stay informed, follow device instructions, and use wearables as a helpful fitness tool.